Meaning of innards.
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 Innards. The word innards refers to the internal organs of an animal or human. It is often used in a somewhat informal or colloquial context, and may be used to refer specifically to the digestive system, or to all of the organs contained within the torso. The use of this word can evoke a certain degree of visceral disgust, as it implies a focus on the less pleasant or aesthetically pleasing aspects of the body. However, it can also be a useful term in certain medical or scientific contexts where a more precise or technical term may not be necessary.